Hello friends, this is Richa Sharma. Welcome to my channel Let's Study with Richa. This is a video of ICT that you demanded for to explain English. So I am explaining this concept in English. ICT. ICT means information and communication technology. The term information refers to any communication or representation of knowledge such as facts, data or opinion in any medium or form, including textual, numerical, graphic, cartography or audiovisual forms. Listen, you have to write the meaning or definition in the proper manners. But technology, what is technology? What do you mean by technology? Technology is a practical form of scientific knowledge or the science of application of knowledge to practical. Means you are knowing the concept, but you don't know how to use that concept. That is not technology. Technology means to use it, practically use it, to apply your knowledge. Okay. Now let's ICT definition. ICT is a generic term referring to various technological tools and resources. Means you are using different technological tools or resources to communicate or to express your points by using the technology. In using the technology, you are creating, collecting, storing, editing, disturbing or managing the information in various forms, like in audio forms, in visual forms, or in moving picture forms. So to clear your point or to express your views by using the technology is called the ICT. ICT implies the technology which consists of electronic devices and associated human interactive materials that enable the user to employ them for a wide range of teaching learning process in personal use. They can use it personally to explain any concept by using the technology. Okay. Now let me clear one more thing, that in concept of ICT you will explain IT and CT. IT and CT. What is the difference between IT and CT? IT is information technology. That information technology means the information that you have. How will you use this information by using the technology medium? Okay. How will you use it? Like how will you store the information? How will you acquire? Acquire means प्राप्त करना. How will you get the information? How will you store the information? How will you make changes in the information? How will you manage that information? By using the technology. Okay, this is the IT, information technology. How will you play with the information that you have by using the technology? Play means how will you get that information? How will you store, manage or make changes in that information by using the technology. And CT means communication technology. Now what is communication? Firstly, clear the point of communication. Communication means when one person express their views or points to the other person, that time communication occurs. Like let's say take one example. One person is expert in English language, but he want to clear one point according to their view to other person, and he is using very high English language, but the other person is not able to understand. That means here the person having the high English skills have no use. They can't use their language to clear their point. It means it is useless. So communication means when one person express their views, clear their point to the other person, and other person also understands or responds. That time communication occurs. If one point is speaking and the other person is not able to understand, that means there is no communication. That one person is talking only, is speaking only, there is no communication. So communication technology means to use the technology, to use the electronic media to communicate, to express their points. Now I think the point of IT and CT is clear. And now what is ICT? To use the information that a person have or to play the information and communicate the information by using the technology. Understand? This is the concept of IT. Next is ICT and education. What is a relation between ICT and education? ICT is used to enhance teaching and learning environment by using the technology. ICT enables self-paced learning through various tools such as assignment, computer, etc. The tool can be anything. It can be computer or assignment. But in assignment also you can use your pictures to clear the point. As a result of this, the teaching learning enterprise has become more productive and meaningful, and by seeing the pictures, the point is more clear to the students. So you can use it in assignments also or in computer also. ICT helps facilitate the transaction between producers and users by keeping the students updated and enhancing teachers' capacity and ability, fostering a live contact between the teacher and student through email, chalk session, e-learning, web-based learning, including internet, intranet, extranet, TV, audio, video, ads. Means ICT helps any changes that are occurring by just like the time is going on and many changes occurs. So by updating all the syllabus time to time helps the teachers to clear their own points. Okay. Next is EduSet technology. Like EduSet technology, EduSet company is providing presentation medium to the teachers. How they act? So teachers are going in EduSet computers. That EduSet was arranging a computer sets where they are providing the videos related to their chapter, related to the class. So teachers go there and make their ID and then see many videos on the web related to their concept, and then the appropriate video which will clear all the points of the students, they save that video in their ID, and in the class they open their ID on the computer and start it and try to clear all the points of the student. And EduSet also provide a trainer to help the teachers how will they use the technology or PPT in the class, or how will they choose the video. If they are not finding the videos available on that time, then how will they search the another video? So EduSet also provide that trainer. So in this way the teachers are using the technology medium to clear the concept to the students. Since largest distance learning universities are located in developing countries like Turkey, Indonesia, China, India, Thailand and Korea. Now I think in India, in mostly schools, even in government and government schools, the PPT that multimedia technology is used. Technological options in teaching: voice, one-way, two-way audio, video tools, video, still images, pre-recorded moving images, real-time moving images, print. These are the technological options that they can use their teaching. Now why we need ICT? Definitely to when a student want to learn, but they are not able to join the online lectures or the face-to-face lectures, then definitely there is a need of ICT. They will use it, right? So when they are free, they can use that pictures, that videos, and it also promotes independent learning, because if the point is clear, then they don't need any other person who will teach them one line or one word. To promote the culture of learning, how ICT promote the culture of learning? Like one person is seeing the video related to their concept and the point is clear, then they are more interested to view the next chapter, right, or to clear the next similar concept. So it creates a culture of learning. Then they go through the next topics. To generate new digital skills, to improve the quality of learning, to make learning easy to understand, to break literacy barriers in communication, to create knowledge society, to make you connect with global community. How here you will connect with the global community? Because when you are seeing the video or you are taking the online lectures according to your time comfort, that time the other persons are also attending that same session, so you are able to connect to the other persons which are not physically near to you, but they can be reachable by on the technology, by using the technology only. The sport sharing experience and information with others. ICT for professional development of teachers. So definitely if the teacher wants to develop their profession, wants to take promotions in their profession, then they try to make best use of ICT. Like in writing curriculum, they know how they can improve their curriculum skills. Writing papers for publication, peer collaboration, that they help their peers and also take the help of the other peers. Group discussion. In group discussions, they are able to clear their points, and if there is any mistake, then they improve it. So they learn new things also, and even know how, if the point is clear, then how they can clear their point to their colleagues. Multimedia simulations of good teaching practices, catalyzing teacher to training collaboration. There is collaboration of teacher and trainee also seen there. Joint planning and problem solving, participation in analysis. Improvement in teaching skills. Now how ICT helps in improvement in teaching skills? Listen, in teaching skills there are many skills. If you want, then I will make the video also on the skills of teaching, because it's a very long concept. So in improvement of teaching, how ICT can help. ICT provide the online videos or the picturization. By seeing the picturization, the teachers and students both understand betterly. And in other ways, a well planned online professional development program can also improve teacher skills in the following ways, like solid foundation of knowledge. They provide a solid foundation of knowledge, na? Competency in teaching, classroom management, how will they manage in the classroom with the so much students. Learn teaching methods effectively, organization skills, mastery of the subject matter. If there any doubt in any topic of the subject, they can do mastery in that by clearing their point in that particular topic of the subject. Acquisition of new teaching skills. If there is any new teaching skill added in the changing curriculum, then they can also learn that subject matter knowledge. Skills development in the use of technology in the classroom. Ongoing pedagogical and technical support for teachers. Develop both synchronous and asynchronous modalities. Feeling professionals. Improve thinking skills. Develop learning skills. Promote collaborative thinking. Enable anytime, anywhere learning. So these are the ways in which, by using which technology, the teachers can improve their teaching skills. So this was the explanation in English. I hope now the point is clear. Now in next video I will clear the points of scope of ICT. Okay. Thank you so much students. If subscribe जरूर कीजिएगा अगर आपको सेशन पसंद आया हो तो. Thank you.